Yes, Lord. Y'all already know what time it is. Let's pop it with the orange juice first. So, man, is this enough orange juice? Is this enough orange juice, man? Somebody let me know right now. Yeah. I don't think it's enough orange juice. Hold up. Gotta go get some more. Boom. Yeah. Now, look, let's add our lemon juice. And we not gonna add just one. We gonna add 5 lemon juices. Peep. Now, look, my beautiful people. Look how satisfying that orange juice is right there. Now, look, you can use water if you want to, but me, I like a lot of flavor. Let's add them orange bell peppers. We got some green ones right here. Nah, I'm lying. They go the orange ones right there. The ones while I go is yellow. Here go my red ones. Here go my celery. I got some more celery right here, too. That wasn't it. That wasn't it. Now, of course, we got to add the onions. That's nothing but flavor right here. Nothing but flavor. Now, here go my minced garlic. I love garlic. We eat that with everything. Now, here go that Yes Lord that's coming to a store soon. What y'all know about that paprika? Huh? That's that smoked paprika right there. It's platinum. Now, here go my bar booster. This is my garlic flavor right here. And here go my celery and my onion flavor right there. Now, come here. Look at this. What this say right here? Extra spicy. But it ain't going to be that spicy because the orange juice going to balance it all out. Now, look at all that flavor right there dropping in that platinum juice. Now, y'all know the sausages add that flavor too. Nothing but flavor. Nothing but flavor. Then after them sausages, we going to add our pretty golden potatoes right here. Now, y'all say y'all want them shrimp? Now, I got about 35 pounds of Louisiana shrimp right here. Them shrimp. You want to cook them 3 minutes max or else they ain't going to peel easy and you're not going to like it. Man, I'm telling you, man, it's platinum. Smell with your eyes right now, bruh. Smell with your eyes. Now, look, after about 3 minutes boil time, and I'm going to let them sit for about 30 minutes after that, and it's going to suck up all that flavor, and then after that, you can dig in. Don't forget to add that corn in the soaking process, too, because it's already done.